Hey, yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Boss Cat Astronaut with another update. So, today, wanted to share a brand new project. I want to start out by saying I'm not paid for any content that I do. I do this strictly for the CNFT community. Um, I I just support these projects because I think they're great. I love the art. I love the community. I just really enjoy the concept and the utility and the growth that we're seeing in the NFT space, specifically in the Cardano NFT space. So, with that, we have a new project today called Frog Factory. Now, here's why you should watch this video. The reason you should watch the video is because I think this is a pretty cool project. But number two, watching this video and commenting will make you eligible for the whitelist. I'll be choosing a few winners, but I'll get into that later. So let's get into Frog Factory. This is a new NFT project on the Cardano blockchain. Talked with some of the team, and I was really excited with what I saw, especially in terms of the art. It looked pretty cool. And what was interesting is there's multiple artists who got together, tattoo artists actually, and these are hand drawn and designed by these guys, and I think they've done a phenomenal job. It just shows you them utilizing their talent in a different way. And as you will see, these tattoo artists not only expanded their artistic skills into the NFT space, they're also providing utility as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before I delve too deep, let me just give you a high level of what we're looking at. So, Frog Factory, it's 10,000 unique frog NFTs, hand drawn by some of the most creative tattoo artists around. Another thing that I thought was really cool as you check out this art right here, this actually looks really good. Um, yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at the detail, even with the eyeball kind of hanging out, the snot bubble, these exotic worms or whatever in the mouth, the chain, and then the halo. Really cool, nice detail. I'm gonna run through like a few of these and provide some sneak peeks for you. But sorry, I got distracted there. What was really cool when I checked this out is that the team is fully doxxed. How often do we hear that in the CNFT space? These guys are fully doxxed, as you can see. Uh, a lot of these gentlemen are tattoo artists or enthusiasts. I think most of these folks are tattoo artists. You can go check them out on Instagram. Shout out to the team. Look, you can see his tattoo shop, Jeff's tattoo shop in the background. Uh, Looks like OB. You got Wayman and Cam as well with the nice face tat there. So really, really cool to see folks actually fully doxed. You don't really see that in the NFT space for a variety of reasons, but I think it's really cool that these guys put themselves out there in order for people to kind of know who they're working with. So shout out to them for doing that. And shout out to them for this, again, this amazing artwork you see here. I mean, look at the detail. This, I don't know what this is, like an electromagnetic frog. I mean, these are really cool. I love this anarchy kind of look. I don't know, it's like almost frozen, but not. These are really cool, man. Really cool. I like this detail as well. It's not the typical rainbow look. It's more of a bluish pink kind of combination here. I like the jacket as well. So these guys have done a phenomenal job with the art. And let me tell you a bit more about the project. So I told you it's 10,000 unique frogs. This project will be released with over 300 traits, and we'll get into why traits are important, right? But your typical project is between 100 and 200 traits. So this is actually significantly more combinations that you can come up with because they have a lot of talented artists that they're working with. Now, what's cool is this has utility, like I said before. So frog holders, every frog holder will receive a 10% discount on tattoos with probably some of these artists, and I'm not sure if they have a network of other artists. I think these gentlemen are based in the United States, so the utility of the discounts would only benefit US holders. But there's a lot more that we're going to get into on why you still would want to get into this project. Another thing about the discounts is that they're fully stackable. So you can, let's say you're holding 4 frogs, a full discount is 35%. So I mean that's significant savings for holding a project that you're interested in, and you'll probably have some like-minded people that are really into tattoos, really into frogs, really into art, and also really into rewards. Uh, so here's another cool thing. So the different tattoo artists will have an artist trait. That's going to give you a 25% discount as well. So uh, it's going to be really cool to see which tattoo artist matches up with a specific trait that's kind of aligned with their brand. But you'll get additional savings from that. So you can get 25% by holding one NFT if it's aligned with an artist trait. So that's really cool too. Now, says half of the mint proceeds and future royalties will be reserved for a weekly game. So the weekly game is really cool. It's almost like you holding like a raffle ticket or a lottery ticket um, every week. And the only criteria, I believe, has to do with specific traits, right? So the entire 10,000 NFTs won't holder 10,000 NFTs won't be uh, eligible each week. It will be specific traits that are chosen, which is really cool, right? So the game begins 1 month after mint. They'll be giving away 1,000 ADA plus 5% of the previous week's royalties, right? So this is significant. So you're holding on to an NFT with great art. You're holding on to an NFT that has a pretty cool community. You're holding on to an NFT that has weekly rewards that you could possibly be eligible for. You're also holding on to an NFT that, uh, let's say, your specific trait is going through a weekly contest. Let's say you're holding five frogs with that specific trait. The price is going to go up as people try to enter the contest. So you're going to have price action and other opportunities to profit by simply holding a frog with a specific trait. So I really like this aspect as well. There's a bit of gamification there. Um, they'll be implementing a tiered ranking royalty system as well. So that's going to be cool. A couple of weeks after mint, we'll see what that ranking looks like. So that's going to be really cool. Um, and then, in the future, I think that we're going to see different airdrops, different collabs. Um, in terms of the metaverse, these guys have already secured some Boss Planet land. Shout out to my boss cats and the entire community. They already have some Boss Planet land, guys, to develop their own frog factory space there, and who knows what that looks like. Imagine in the future, identifying ways to get some of your Vox avatars tatted. That would be really cool. Uh, don't say I didn't mention that frog factory. So I don't want to keep this too long, but this is a really cool project. These guys are fully doxed. The art is amazing. It's real utility. You're getting a discount on tattoos. Uh, there's gamification on the weekly rewards. There's price action associated with specific traits that have rewards. So there's a lot of opportunity here, guys. These creators did a wonderful job, and I think they'll. I don't think they've shared everything yet, so I think there'll be more to come in terms of what they share. But I like the direction they're going. Uh, let's get really quick into frequently asked questions just to give you a high level of what's coming up next here. So, how do you mint frog factory NFTs? You can't yet. I wanted to give you this video early, guys. So, March 13th is for the whitelist, and for public sale, it's March 15th. The cool thing is that it's only 24 ADA to mint if you're on the whitelist. I'm going to say that again. It's only 24 ADA to mint if you're on the whitelist. It's 36 ADA for the public sale. This is more than reasonable for great art with utility and an opportunity to win over 1,000 ADA on a weekly basis. I mean, this is great. Now, how do you get a whitelist spot? They'll be giving those away in different ways. I encourage you all to join their Discord. Uh, and what I'll do is I'll put this link tree up so you can check out the website yourself, their TikTok, Discord, Twitter, and Instagram. But I wanted to, before I go, I wanted to go through some sneak peeks with you guys. Where's that at? All right, here we go. All right. Okay. Check this one out, dude. Um, those eyes are fire. You got a star. He has on a Star Trek suit, and it's an angel with the mouth sewed shut, dude. Like these guys are really talented. My bad about the pop up there. These guys are really, really talented. Let me show you another one. Wow. So I like the psychedelic background. I like the axe in the head there. That's really cool. Um, that's really cool as well. Nice gold chain. This is fire. Let's take a look at another one here. Oh wow, wow! You got the dunce cap on, but you also have not the dunce cap. I forget what you call this hat, but I love the shirt. I love the shirt. The shirt's really cool. This color and this texture is interesting too. The fact that you have a clown nose on this frog is just really, really cool with bubble gum hanging out. These guys do some really cool work. Those of you who are familiar with other projects and a lot of folks getting tattoos, I'd be curious to know if that's something these guys are willing to do as well. Uh, have contests in terms of like people getting tattoos, but this one's really, really cool as well. Let's go to our next one. I think I have two or three more. Oh wow. So you have like a unicorn head, crazy mustache. This dude's a doctor. He has on a lab coat and a polo with a pipe. That's what I'm saying. Because these guys have 300 traits, these are really, really cool, man. And I forgot that he has on the 3D glasses as well. These are really cool. It's not something you can just take a quick glance at because you'll miss some of the detail and the artistry that these guys have cultivated. So again, shout out to them. What's next? Oh, okay, dart in the mouth. um, this shirt, this tattered shirt. I love the color on this one. And the birthday hat, the 3D glasses, clown nose. Look at this purple, deep purple, green and blue look. That's really, really cool. And then these accents as well. I don't even know what I would call these. Kind of looks like spider webs almost, but they're not. But really, really cool. I like this one. There's something to really admire and appreciate about all of these. Whoa. Like the background here, really cool. But again, we have the Star Trek vibe. I really like that a lot. Have a little Cardano look right there. And then you have the mouth sewed shut with these goggles. These are fire, man. These are really, really cool. So I'm going to leave you with this very affordable project. If you're on the white list, 24 ADA public mint will be 36 ADA. It's early, guys. So I don't remember how many Discord members there are. I know Twitter is probably 800 or 900 folks. But again, we're more than 2 weeks out and these guys are growing. I see a lot of boss cats. I see a lot of other top tier projects, guys that are kind of already in there. We tend to get in these projects early if we can. But guys, what I want you to do, I'll keep it simple. Leave a comment. Go follow these guys on Twitter and join their Discord. And I'll be looking through my comments and I am going to choose 5 whitelist winners. I'll choose those winners on March 1st. Okay. So again, want to lay this out for you. If you're already checking out the video, you're hearing this information. Check out the video, leave a comment. Feel free to follow these guys on Twitter and on Discord. Okay. And on March 1st, I'll be choosing 5 winners for the whitelist. So what does the whitelist give you? You're probably wondering that. So the whitelist allows you to buy up to 10 of these. I'm going to say it again. Whitelist allows you to buy up to 10 of these. The public sale, they can buy 5 per transaction. But again, get in on the whitelist. You're going to pay 24 ADA. You're able to mint up to 10, and you're able to reap the rewards for those discounts. It increases your opportunity for the weekly rewards, those contests based on traits. So I advise everyone to do your own research. See if this is something you're interested in. If you're into tattoos, if you're into frogs, positive communities, or weekly rewards and contests, I advise you all to check this out. Again, shout out to the team. Thank you guys for allowing my community to be able to participate and win some whitelists. We definitely appreciate that. As always, guys, start every day with a grateful heart. Feel free to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.